Toast was designed to assist restaurateurs with streamlining day-to-day processes and make it easier to manage restaurants. Toast comes with just about everything you'd need to accept payments, track inventory, manage staff, and offer extras such as promo codes and gift cards. The service offers an ideal balance of features, value, and usability. It's our top pick in the restaurant point-of-sale (POS system) space because it lends itself so well to the day-to-day duties of restaurant management. Here's a close look at the benefits Toast POS can offer your business. What is Toast? Per its SEC filings, Toast Incorporated NYSE 2ST POS systems are used by over 62,000 restaurants. Toast offers a bespoke operating system designed for all facets of food service, including orders, inventory management, and staff scheduling. The platform also comes standard with 247 customer service. This availability is especially useful for any establishments that operate at off hours. Toast comes with a number of reporting modules for metrics such as sales performance, labor costs across location, and product mix. These reports can be generated automatically, but you can also make your own custom reports if you'd like. Prices vary by plan, although each offers optional add-ons. Its basic plans are the Starter Kit, which is free to use and comes with a cloud POS, one terminal configuration, email marketing, gift cards, loyalty, and menu management. Growth, which is $165 per month, offers online ordering and delivery services management. Its Restaurant Basics package, which includes a light version of scheduling and payroll tools, is $110 per month. Pros, multiple payment methods accepted. Built for the eatery industry. Live 247 customer service at all price levels. Easy to use for several locations. Low-cost entry-level packages. Cons. Scalable packages and pay-as-you-go makes it hard to determine the exact costs. Cancellation fees and switching plans are costly. BBB rating poor with no online presence to answer questions. Toast offers a wide range of products and services designed specifically for restaurants. Its features are top of the line, making it a great choice for businesses that want the very best in restaurant POS systems. However, it's not perfect. Its online rating of 4.8 stars was hurt by its less than stellar reviews on consumer review platforms such as Trustpilot and BBB. Its previous shortcomings with customer support also seem to have been addressed though, as it rapidly releases new features and improvements and takes steps to address BBB complaints. Overall, Toast is a great choice for restaurants looking for the best in POS systems. Toast pros and cons. Pros. Toast offers several great add-ons for extra services to assist restaurateurs in alleviating their workload, making it an all-in-one ecosystem for managing your entire restaurant business. These add-ons include Toast Mobile Order and Pay, Partner Connect, scheduling and team communication, marketing, gift cards, and loyalty, payroll, and team management, third-party delivery integrations, and Stress ECF by Toast. It also provides a wide range of integrated hardware options that you can configure to your exact needs. These range from handheld devices to all-in-one terminals, and you can add as many devices as you need for full coverage of your restaurant. Another big plus for Toast is that it offers a free version of its software. This starter kit includes a cloud-based POS perfect for smaller operations. Toast also has an offline mode, which is ideal for businesses located in areas with spotty internet coverage. This means that you can still take and process orders even if your internet connection goes down. Toast's restaurant payroll syncs with your POS in real time so that you can track staff hours quickly and easily. It will also check your hours with local labor laws, which can be complex and can change instantly. Toast offers a range of features to help you better manage and deploy your food deliveries. If you don't have drivers of your own, the software will ping its network of drivers to find someone to take the delivery in your area. It also allows your customers to make orders ahead of time and track their delivery status in real time. Cons. Toast Pay plans are among the more expensive on the market, and the free plan still charges you for each translation you make with the platform. Toast POS reviews around the web are not the greatest. For example, it has a 3.7-star rating on Trustpilot and a 1.27-star rating on the Better Business Bureau website. However, it's worth mentioning that BBB and Trustpilot are not the most reliable sites for software reviews, as most customers use these platforms to lodge complaints or praise the company, and not to provide an accurate overview of the software. G2's method of user reviews tends to offer a more balanced portrayal of the software, and Toast boasts a score of 4.3 out of 5 on this site. While Toast does have an offline mode, it's not as comprehensive as some of its competitors. For example, it doesn't allow you to process payments offline, which means that you could lose out on sales if your internet connection goes down and a card ends up declined when you try to run it when the internet goes back up. Another issue with Toast is that you must use its payment processor and can't use your own third-party option. This could be a problem for businesses that already have an established relationship with a payment processor and don't want to switch. With custom pricing, Toast won't disclose its processing fees on its site. This makes it difficult to compare apples to apples when trying to decide which software is right for your business. We recommend that you reach out to the company for a quote so that you can get an accurate estimate of what you'll be paying in processing fees. Key features: tableside ordering and checkouts. With Toast's mobile ordering and checkout capabilities, you can take orders and process payments right at the table. This feature is perfect for busy restaurants that need to turn tables quickly. It's not perfect, however, as its offline mode doesn't allow you to process payments, which could be a problem if your internet connection goes down or you've got seating far from a Wi-Fi connection. Online ordering and delivery. Customers can place orders online and track their delivery status in real time. This feature is perfect for businesses that want to offer delivery but don't have their own drivers. Toast will even ping its network of drivers to find someone to take the delivery in your area. Online ordering isn't available with its free plan, however, so you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan to access this feature. Reporting. Toast reporting capabilities are extensive, allowing you to monitor your sales, labor expenditures, and inventory levels in real time. By generating custom reports, you can get valuable insights into your business, make decisions quickly, and keep your finger on the pulse of your restaurant at all times. Menu updates. With Toast, you can make changes to your menu quickly and easily. This is perfect for businesses that need to make seasonal or daily changes to their menu. The software also makes it easy to track prices and ingredients, so you can keep your costs in check. Its downside is that it doesn't have a nutrition information feature unless using the nightly menu JSON export, which is a technical process that might be confusing for most users. Toast POS pricing and fees. Starter kit. Toast free plan comes with order and table management, reporting and analytics, menu management, fraud monitoring in real time, 247 customer care, installation and configuration, and automatic software upgrades. Core. The cheapest pay plan starts at $69 per month and allows you to customize which hardware you utilize. This plan enables access to multiple add-ons that are incompatible with the starter kit plan, including team management tools and API access. Growth. With a base price of $165 per month, Toast's Essentials plan comes with everything in the core plan. Additionally, this option includes Toast online ordering, Toast delivery services, and Toast takeout app. Restaurant Basics package. Starting at $110 per month, Toast's Restaurant Basics package comes with everything in the starter kit, with the addition of an API and productivity tools. These include Sling scheduling, Lite, payroll and team management, Lite, business insurance through AP Intego, Vestwell 401 Ken Toast Paycard and Payout. Note: we've selected Toast as the best POS system for bars and restaurants. Hardware cost. Toast hardware pricing is custom depending on your unique needs. However, its hardware includes Toast Flex, Toast Go-To, Toast Flex for Guest, its customer-facing display, Toast Flex for Kitchen, a kiosk, Toast Tap, both on counter and direct attach, Toast Printer, Impact Printers, Toast Hub, wireless access points, routers, cash drawers, card readers, barcode scanners, scales, flip stands, and wall mounts. Payment processing fees. Your payment processing fee depends on your restaurant model, such as quick service or food truck, so each price is customized to your business and transaction volume. You'll want to contact the sales team to get an accurate quote. Is Toast right for your business? Comparing Toast to its competitors, Toast offers far more flexibility, which means that no matter the size of your business, it's perfect. And in an age when more customers choose to order delivery and takeout, Toast makes it easy to adapt. Toast should be considered by any restaurant owner looking to streamline their day-to-day operations.